It's 2022, but I see guys out there all the time still buying things that completely wreck their style. What are these style items that you need to steer clear of? Thomas with Real Men Real Style here, and in today's video, I'm going to cover the things you need to stop buying in 2022. First up, items that are on sale. Now what's wrong with a sale? Everyone likes a good deal, right? The problem is when you buy something just because it's on sale. It's the wrong size, you don't even like the color, but you can't say no because it's such a good deal. But then it just sits in your closet and never gets worn. Don't do this, guys. Only buy clothing that you actually want and need, regardless of the price. Next up, graphic tees. Don't get me wrong, graphic tees can be a lot of fun and are fine to wear on occasion, especially for guys in their teens and 20s. But if you're in your 30s, 40s, 50s, and graphic tees are still pretty much your daily uniform, it honestly makes you look like you never quite grew up. Guys, it's time to start dressing a little more maturely. Even a simple, solid colored t-shirt looks sharper and more put together than a graphic tee. Next up, white socks. White socks had their day. It's time for them to retire. You never should be wearing white socks with your regular clothing. It's very distracting, and one of the worst style mistakes you can make. Even when it comes to the gym, there are so many socks out now that look sharper and are better for performance. So let's ditch the white socks for good. Next, square-toed shoes. Guys, these should have died out long ago, but you'll still see men wearing square-toed shoes today. A good pair of dress shoes will have a sleek and elegant silhouette, but those square-toed shoes are just clunky looking in comparison. Don't do it, guys. Only buy dress shoes with a round or chiseled toe. Next, big logos. Unless you're getting paid, there's no reason to be a walking billboard. It's best if you can get clothing that has no visible logo, although a small logo isn't too bad. But shirts with that big logo on the chest, yeah, those look pretty tacky. Definitely stay away.
Alright gents, whether you're using an electric, safety, or cartridge razor, consider using an aftershave balm. Applying this after you shave helps to cool the skin and prevent redness. Now gents, the grooming products you see in today's video brought to you by Vitaman. And instead of me telling you how awesome they are, how about I put a link down in the description of today's video so you can try them for free. Seriously gents, use that link in the description to grab a sample kit over at Vitaman for free.
Next, the deep V-neck. When it comes to t-shirts, you can't go wrong with a crew neck or a V-neck. The V-neck can be a very flattering choice, as it makes your chest appear larger and more muscular, but you can take it too far. If that V dips too deep, you'll be left with a look that's going to have the opposite effect of what you want. If you're a thin or average sized guy, it's going to tend to look a bit feminine. It's not so bad if you're really muscular, but you'll likely come across as a bit conceited. Save the deep V-neck for undershirts, when you want to have it remain hidden underneath a dress shirt. Next, pajama pants. Now pajama pants are great when you're going to bed, but guys, you shouldn't be wearing these out in public, even to go grocery shopping. Nothing looks more sloppy and low effort. If you want to be super relaxed and comfortable, grab a nice pair of sweatpants instead. Next up, cheap footwear. I get it, good quality shoes can be painfully expensive sometimes, but buying a bunch of cheap shoes to save money isn't a great idea. They'll be less comfortable to wear, and you'll have to replace them after a couple of years, if not sooner. It's more expensive up front, but those higher priced shoes can last you decades if treated well, so you'll end up saving money in the long term. Next up, tidy whities. Tidy whities are so attractive. Said no woman ever. Unless you're very fit, the brief is not going to be flattering for your body. And honestly, the white color isn't that great looking either. A nice pair of boxer briefs in a dark color is going to complement your body so much better, and your significant other will appreciate it. Now talking about mistakes, did you know you could accidentally be destroying your jeans? Check out this video guys, where I'm going to teach you how to avoid these deadly mistakes.